want to introduce new features. We added the mode score, we added tariff score. Another filter we added the geographic revenue. If you look at this one, and it shows you can filter by the company's revenue source, where it's from US, from Canada, from Europe, things like that. For example, I'm worried about the national debt. I want to diversify my investment into countries that into the companies that's less relying on the US. Their products are mostly made in outside the US, for example, because I think the US dollar will go weak. And it helps if the companies produce most of their product outside the country. So then I just do this filter US, I have it less than 30%. I want the revenue source less than 30% produced in US. Then I get a list. I can see that the Broadcom about 25% from US, and Tencent, it's a Chinese company, only 3.2% in US from the US. And MasterCard, about 30% revenue from the US. And Asmail, the UV light maker, 16% from the US. So that's a filter we added, and you can, of course, you can filter for companies that produces mostly from the US also. And if we do that, you can see that T-Mobile, of course, revenue mostly from US, United Healthcare, Wells Fargo, AT&T, Verizon, Progressive, Charles Schwab. Okay, these are the companies that have their most revenue from the US. And that's a filter we added. I think it can be useful if you want to diversify into certain regions of your investment. Those are three filters we added: the mode score, the tariff score, and the geographic revenue. I think they're really useful.